Today I'm gonna make chorizo with egg. Look, check this out. Chorizo with egg right there. There's some beans for lunch. And over here, I got, right here I got tomatoes, onion, cheese, and chili. And over here I got my egg. Okay, cooking like always. And here's my Kool-Aid drink, water, Kool-Aid, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, not milk, Kool-Aid. This is chorizo. We're gonna make chorizo with egg. Okay, we're gonna wait a little bit, let it cook. All right, here now we're gonna put some onion, boom, boom, boom. Put some chili with some cheese in there. Check this out. This video is gonna go all the way to Texas, Vegas, Reno, Utah, all over. The chef, Manuel. Okay, let's see. Cook it right. Trying to hurry up. Trying to make this video only 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Where is my? Put some tomatoes. Yeah, fresh tomatoes. Mix it up. Then put more tomatoes, tomates, boom, boom, boom. And my drink, Kool-Aid with water with some sugar. Put a little bit of tequila. All right, here we go. Mix it up, Chef Manuel. We got beans over here. We got the coffee over here. Trying to hurry up. It's gonna be 3 minutes already. Now we're gonna put the egg, the huevo, egg. Mix it up. Mix it up. My favorite dish of the day, my favorite dish. And it's 3 minutes already, so let it cook. It's gonna be done. And adios, amigos. 5 de Mayo. Happy 5 de Mayo.